Hi everyone, Ata from xFanatical here, and we are going to start a brand new series of Google Workspace general articles or Google Workspace tips uh, YouTube videos. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. So without wasting our time, let's jump into the first video. And in this first video, we are going to see the demonstration of some uh, Google Workspace, Google Sheet automation. Okay, and if you are a reader kind of person, then you can go and check our blog post, and we also have the video format. So let's see some basic automation that will obviously help you uh, to be productive, to make your office work very easy if you know these automation or very simple things. So the first thing is automatic data entry using form, using Google Form. All right, so everyone know that how productive or how usable Google Forms are. Whether you are a teacher, uh, we all know the Google Workspace for education is used by educational institutes, and a teacher use the Google Forms to conduct questions. And if a company want to conduct a survey, they can also use this Google Form. Now, how we can integrate uh, the spreadsheet, the Google Sheet with the Google Form? It's very simple. It's actually a built-in feature provided by Google Form. You just need to, once you have created a form, just go to the responses tab, and here you will see this link to sheet button. Then click on this, and there are two options. The one is you can create a new sheet, spreadsheet, or you can select an existing one. If you will click on this, let me show you. When you click on this, it will automatically create a new sheet. All right. And where this sheet will be stored by default, you just need to go to your Google Drive, and here is that. Okay, in your uh, root folder of Google Drive, you'll find these sheets. The other way, let me unlink this and show you the other way. Link, select an existing one, click select. You will be directed to this pop-up, and from here you will select the sheet where you want to store the data. All right. Now let's move to the second feature of automation. It's called find and update data in the sheet, or we all know, uh, also known as the find and replace feature. So here I have uh, some sample data uh, with a username column and location column. So find and replace is very easy. Go to edit and click on this find and replace option, or by shortcut you can go with Control plus H. And the purpose is very simple, although it's very simple and very few number of records. But if you have hundreds of the records, obviously it will be difficult to find any data manually. So you just need to click on, go to the find and replace and select. All right. So that's it. Very simple. Find and replace, or just If you want to find, then just use this find feature. If you want to replace, but please be careful. Do not click this button unintentionally, otherwise your data will be wiped out. Moving to the next, we have remove duplicate data. Uh, Once again, very helpful feature. Uh, Suppose you have 500 records and you have actually downloaded or extracted it from some website. Then you need to uh, you want to remove the duplicate data. So how to do this? Just select the column, click on the data, and then go to uh, data cleanup and remove duplicates. Okay, so what it says that select column B, select all, remove duplicate, and it's done. Two duplicates are removed, as you can see. Okay, moving to the next feature, we have a create filter view. Once again, a very helpful feature. Suppose that you have this column, and what I'm going to do is click on data, then create filter, and you can see that we have this uh, lines, which is a filter icon. Just need to click on this, and you can filter the data. For instance, if I want to text contains, okay, we can also filter by condition or filter by value. For instance, we want to select Dallas, only with Dallas. Okay. uh All right, I think I have to uncheck all these, and here. All right. Then moving to the next feature, we have sending emails to the collaborators. In your office routine work, suppose you are working on a Google Sheet, you have some data, and you want to send that data to your colleague. Either you will go to the Gmail, compose the email, attach the file, or you can also attach the file from Google Drive. Or is this method an easy way? Or what if you can simply go to the file, then email, and click on email this file. Now you just need to select, enter the name, okay, subject, message, anything. Excuse me. File type is PDF. Now I want to attach this file as Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet. Then click send. Okay, done. All right. The next thing that we are going to see is macros. All right, guys. The next feature that we are going to read is macros. What are macros? Macros is a feature that help you to apply uh, some steps that are repetitive, and mostly they are used when you want to apply some formatting. Okay, so let's see how this works. I have this spreadsheet and some data here. Now what I'm going to do is go to the extension, macros, record a macro, and here you can see pop-up comes up with recording a new macro label. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some steps. Click on this box in top left corner, just properly sizing it, and then just click on this, double click, and it will be resized. I mean, it will be adjusted automatically. Then select these two columns. For that, you can just uh, press, keep pressing the shift button, click the first one, then click the second one. So both will be selected, and select this data center. Okay. Now click on this format, apply alternative color, and sorry, not this one. Click on these. You can just select this one, and now apply the alternative color. And here we have. All right. So this macro has recorded all the steps that I have done. Next time, if I want to format some data, I do not have to repeat these steps that I have done. Now click on Save, Formatting Macro. For the shortcut, you can select anyone. For instance, I am just selecting F1, or just simply 1. Okay, I think not. Just we need, we only can put one number. So I just place the 1, and that's it. Click on Save. All right, we have saved a macro. Now let's see its application. For that, I have this another data list, and here for formatting, what I'm going to do, just go to the extension, macro, and here is my macro. For shortcut, this is the shortcut. Just apply this one, and authorization required, the script attached to this don't need a permission to run. Okay, I just need to give the permission. Maybe you are not seeing the pop-up because I'm recording the only this window, this one. But once you will assign the permission, you will click assign permission, a pop-up will appear asking you to sign in with your account. So just allow the necessary permissions, and that's it. I have assigned the permission. Let's go to the macros again, and let's see if this work. Okay, we have it. So as you have seen how simple it is and how much helpful it is when you want to apply formatting in particular, and not only formatting, actually in many things. If you know that most of my steps are similar, so it will save a lot of your time. Okay, now moving to the next feature, uh, it's actually uh, some shortcuts. Okay, now I'm not going to go into the detail of these shortcuts, but just going to show you that there are many shortcuts. And to find what shortcuts are there, you just need to click on the control plus forward slash button, and you will have this window. Okay, and in this window you will have all of these shortcuts. Okay, and by the way, there is a feature that's called enable compatible a spreadsheet shortcut. You can disable this and enable this. What is the purpose of this compatible shortcuts? We will discuss in some other video. All right, now moving to the next feature that will help you in your office work while working on Google Sheet. It's called Smart Fill. Now, I love this feature because of its time saving attributes. Okay, uh, how does this work? For instance, I have this column, it's called first name. Okay, I'm going to write the Robert. Let's see if this work. Alicia, and here come. Okay, now what it says, uh, it actually noticed by its robots or their its algorithm that this person is actually copying the name, the first part of the username column: Robert, Alicia, Elizabeth, Doyle, Alicia. So it actually copied all of this. Now I can apply all of this value by pressing this tick mark, or I can just click on I can just uh, press the control. Let me confirm. All right, control shift plus Y, control shift plus Y, and it applied. Now if you want to see that what formula it actually used, you can see this in formula bar. Okay, so just uh, okay, it have actually pasted the formula on all of the records. Okay, everything is done for this video, and for the next video we will come up with some other interesting video. Until then, make sure to subscribe our channel and stay tuned to our video. Bye.